let's take you through the top story at this hour. And it's coming to us from Lakhimpur Kheri case as farmers run over in a planned conspiracy. Those are the words used by the investigating agency over there. That's how the cops who are handling the case have told the court. Lakhimpur Kheri case, the charges against Ashish Mishra should be modified, and cops investigating the case have written to the judge making all those issues. Just to expand a little bit on those planned conspiracy things, the special investigation team said that this is a case in which the Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son is the main accused, and it looks like it was a planned conspiracy. Meanwhile, the Junior Minister for Home, Ajay Kumar Teni, actually visited the district jail in Lakhimpur Kheri to meet his son just today.
जब एफआईआर दर्ज की गई थी तब ये बात सामने आई थी कि एक रैश ड्राइविंग का मामला है ये, यही अभी तक आशीष मिश्रा का पक्ष कह भी रहा था। लेकिन जांच होने के बाद और जो गवाहों से जो बयान जो हुए हैं जिन लोगों के, और जांच जो की है एसआईटी ने, उसके बाद ये चीज़ क्लियर हुई है कि क्योंकि इस मामले में कई लोग थे जो लखनऊ के थे, कुछ बाहर के भी लोग थे, तो इन्होंने पूरी प्लानिंग करके बाहर से जो है गुंडों को बुलाया था, उसके बाद प्लानिंग करके किसानों को मारा गया है। ये चीज़ क्लियर हो गई थी एसआईटी की जांच में। ये गवाहों ने हमारे बयान भी दिए थे एसआईटी के समक्ष, और ये एविडेंसेस भी एसआईटी के पास हैं। नहीं तो मुख्य विवेचक जो हैं विद्याराम दिवाकर जी, कल उन्होंने एप्लीकेशन दी थी सीजीएम कोर्ट में कि धाराएँ बदलनी चाहिए क्योंकि जो मामला है वो अलग है, रैश ड्राइविंग नहीं है। तो अब रैश ड्राइविंग हटा करके मर्डर का मामला है, साजिश का मामला है, और उसके बाद इसी मामले में आज सीएम साहब ने इनको तलब किया है कोर्ट में।
एक मंत्री ने किसानों को मारने का काम किया है। प्रधानमंत्री जानते हैं, उनके साथ उनकी टीम में है। हमने कहा उस समय भी डिस्कशन नहीं होने दी। जैसे इनको चुप किया है वैसे ही उस समय भी हम सबको चुप किया था।
This latest development on the story is bound to increase the troubles of Ashish Mishra, the son of MOS Home Ajay Mishra, simply because of what the SIT that is probing the Lakhimpur deaths is saying. Now they're saying that this was not a case, the death of these 4 farmers and a journalist who were crushed to death under an SUV that belongs to Ashish Mishra, the son of the MOS Home. It was not a case of death by negligence. It was a pre-planned conspiracy that led to these murders. Now what the SIT has said in a letter to the Chief Judicial Magistrate of Lakhimpur is that the earlier sections, some of the earlier sections invoked against the 13 accused in the case, including Ashish Mishra, need to be modified, and attempt to murder charges also need to be added. And this again is very significant because Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has already tweeted asking why the MOS Home has not been dismissed yet and asking for a probe in his role in this entire incident. Ashish Mishra, of course, continues to remain in jail, in prison. His bail applications have been rejected in the past. He faces originally a murder and a conspiracy charge. Now with the SIT saying that their investigations have revealed that this was a pre-planned conspiracy, like I said, troubles for him are bound to increase.